Hi, this is Brad Linder with Liliputing, and this is the Mirabook from Mirabook, which is a French company that introduced it in CES 2017, and now at CES 2018 they're showing a refined version that's closer to what will actually ship starting in May. It's basically, if you can see, it's plugged into a phone here via a little USB cable that's actually connected to what looks like a laptop, and the idea is that you plug in the phone and it sends the display, uses this as a display, a keyboard, a touchpad, allows you to interact with your Android applications as if you were using a desktop or a notebook style computer. So we've got support for running everything in multiple windows. You can see we've got multiple applications running at the same time, and sort of a much more desktop-like experience with a mouse and everything like that. It requires a phone that has a USB Type-C port and a DisplayPort functionality, and so what we're looking at here is a Samsung Galaxy S8. It also works with the Huawei, which is this?
Mate 10.
Huawei Mate 10, or with a Windows phone if you have a Microsoft Lumia phone that also supports DisplayPort and USB Type-C. You can use Windows Continuum functionality, and on some phones, depending on the phone, you might even be able to pick up your phone and use the phone without unplugging it first. So the idea is, so with the Razer phone, for example, where we're looking at here, the idea is that you have one device that's powering all of your experiences. You have a laptop-style experience when you need it, when you need a bigger screen, the full-size keyboard. You can use the mobile versions of Office, for example, to edit your documents, but then you can also pick up your phone and take it and go away. So what we're looking at here is a 13-inch display, 1080p screen. It's looks like a matte screen, is that correct? So it's not glossy, so it should be easy to use in different lighting environments. We've got an HDMI output, USB Type-A port. What is that, power or?
It's for accessories.
To
hold the phone.
Oh, okay. Charging lights, full-size touchpad here. Is that a power button? And on the other side, we've got USB port for charging via the USB Type-C, and
SD card.
Another SD card slot, headset jack, and another full-size USB port. So that is a quick look at the Mirabook, which is going to be shipping to backers of the Kickstarter campaign starting in May. It's available for pre-order now at $249, and it should be available for purchase later this year for about $299. This is not quite the final design, but it's pretty close to what we're going to see in the final design after Mirabook takes more feedback from what they solicit from people here at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. This is Brad Linder with Liliputing.